If you want to point your domain to a new website, hosting provider, or DNS service, one of the most important things you need to know is how to change your hosting and name servers. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step so you can update your name servers quickly and correctly. This is a simple task, but it's very important to do it carefully because one wrong setting can affect where your website and email traffic go. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. You can do this from the Hostinger homepage by signing in with the email address and password connected to your account. Once you're inside, you'll be looking at your main dashboard. From here, you need to find the section for your domains, because that's where Hostinger keeps the settings for your domain name and name servers. Now click on Domains. This will take you to a list of all the domains connected to your Hostinger account. If you manage more than one domain, make sure you choose the correct one. This part matters because any changes you make will apply to the domain you select. So take a moment and double check that you're opening the right domain before moving forward. After selecting your domain, look for the DNS or Nameservers area. Hostinger may show this as DNS/Nameservers depending on your interface. Next to that option, click Edit. This is the part that opens the settings where you can update how your domain points to different services on the internet. Once the DNS or nameserver settings are open, choose Change Nameservers. Hostinger may ask you to confirm that you want to switch away from the current DNS configuration. If you see another confirmation button that says Change Nameservers again, click that as well. This second confirmation is normal, and it makes sure you really want to replace the existing nameserver values. Now you'll see fields where you can enter your new nameservers. These are usually provided by your hosting company, your website builder, or your DNS provider. Enter the name servers exactly as you were given them. It's very important to type them carefully because even a small typo can cause your domain to stop resolving properly. If your provider gave you two name servers, enter both of them in the correct fields. If they gave you more, add them in the order requested. Before saving, take a second to review everything. Make sure the domain is correct, the name servers are spelled correctly, and there are no extra spaces or missing characters. This is the kind of step that can save you a lot of trouble later. Once you're sure everything looks right, click Save. After you save, Hostinger will update your name server settings. Depending on your provider and the domain itself, it can take some time for the change to fully spread across the internet. In many cases, the update starts quickly, but full propagation can take a while, so don't worry if you don't see the result instantly. That's completely normal. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Hostinger name servers. If your goal was to connect your domain to a new host or update where your site points, this is the key step that makes it happen. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.